Yo giros.
Nada, soy horrible.
Vale.
Venga, we go.
Let's go, ¿no?
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hello.
How's it going?
¿Qué tal?
Good?
How's it going? So, what we are gonna do?
You ready to try a slow bike?
Normally we are not so slow. Okay, that's not so easy for us, so just a little bit patience with that.
Yeah. We try to teach you a bit, but let's see if we can.
Cool, so
Let's
go
go.
for it.
Vamos.
Yeah.
When you're doing this is to time the suspension with the clutch and the body, of course. Go a bit slow. When suspension is in, it's the moment you release the clutch, so you make a small jump.
So about the pressure for us in MotoGP, just 0.1 is super important, so it makes a big change. So for you the pressure, because I saw the rear tire is completely like flat,
Almost
so it's in,
the wheel.
yeah, it's touching the rims into the rocks. Is that important for you?
Yeah, and we also change if it's raining or if it's hot. We also change a little bit.
Always it's like this flat.
Always
this
super soft.
Super soft, super
Yeah,
flat.
soft.
Yeah, it was so fun. It's nice to share some time with these different disciplines with such good riders, and before our home GP to spend some time having fun is always nice.
I think it's a good training to wake all the sensibility on the bike, everything. Get to manage the front brake, the rear brake, all at the same time. I think it's a good training.
Really fun. It's always nice to meet such big stars as them, and to see them enjoy riding trials as well is fun for us to watch. It's a bit special because they obviously know a lot about their sport, but maybe not so much about trials, so it's really fun to maybe give them some tips and feel like you are a bit on top.
Ha estado guay. Bueno, hemos visto que se les da muy bien, tienen maneras para el trial y seguro que si entrenasen lo harían súper bien.
Well, I've tried to copy a little bit from them, but as I said, the level is a huge difference, and good to see them. As I said.
I learn a lot because I'm super bad doing trial. I mean, I have a lot to learn, but it's something that I like to. When I see that I'm so bad in something, I used to practice quite a lot to improve, and in that area I'm super rookie. So I'm gonna try to improve, and maybe next year on this event I will be a little bit faster and better.
Well guys, thanks for today. It was amazing.